Hi, good evening, dear boys.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, we are going to discuss about the special vehicles in the DT framework. Okay. Who can explain what is DT?
So in DT we have 5 stages. That is how our institution is working or functioning. So the first stage is empathize, and second is defining the problem or kind of solution we do. And the new kind of thing we introduce is known as iteration and testing. And then the last one is prototype and testing.
Okay, let us start with the empathy part of the special vehicle. Can you start, Aswin?
Yes, sir. Now let's go back to the storage area where the peoples do the work on their own. It is very hard to do the operations like excavations or any removal of any debris from the one place to the other place, or lifting any object from one area to one surface to the other surface. It is very hard to do the system. So that there is a special vehicle called as a backward loader, which is really useful in doing all the operations like excavation, digging, and then movement of the debris from one area to the other area. It is in compact in size and also really helpful in doing all kinds of applications.
Okay. Define the empathy.
So yes, sir. We are using the backhoe loader for a lot of purpose. Specifically choosing the backhoe loader, we need to develop one machine that dig the sand and also remove the loosened materials like that. So we are choosing the backhoe loader. We have a lot of other vehicles like bulldozer, excavators, but we need to do multiple tasks and also some efficient work. So we are using the backhoe loader. The backhoe loader have some components like boom, arm boom cylinder, and etc. Basically the working of the backhoe loader is the frontal portion of the vehicle is remove the loosened materials like that, and also the back side is having a bucket that will dig the loosened material. We need to do some works on construction works on mining side. This can work on some certain critical area that excavator, bulldozer that cannot do. So in the critical usages, we are using backhoe loader.
Good one. Can you ideate what it is?
Sir, if the backhoe loader they are lack of operators, if backhoe loader they will drive means they will not come the drivers. If only they say operators only. In backhoe loaders in nowadays they are BS6 engines. In BS6 engines they are more advanced. When we start the backhoe loader, we on the ignitions after 1 minute or 2 minutes after only we can start the backhoe loader. Why that means if in ignition system it will controls all the electronic controls. So 1 minute means it will ignite flow will be the electrician systems and it will start. If in backhoe loader the wheel operator is full and full hydraulics, so it will operate.
Okay, nice. Okay, anything further you can
This vehicle power was 2% split on the vehicle. One power was engine moving and running, and another power was up to operate the hydraulic operations, front and back, and the hydraulic cylinder and swing also.
Okay, nice. Any further thing to do?
So to improve this vehicle, we can, as Kapilan said, that there is a lack of operators in backhoe loader system because the equipment or the vehicle is too powerful to operate. Where the thing is, the engine power is raw power. Where they use around 3000 cc or something V6 engines and all in the vehicle. Where the power is not limited, it has to be used in a commuter vehicle. So this thing can be automated, and recently we went for XCOM Expo at Bengaluru. So there we saw an operation where the operator can be present in India and the vehicle is presented at China, where the operations were there was no person in the cabin. The person is operating from India, the vehicle is running in China. So this kind of technology should be improved. So by the way, the lack of operators can be decreased and the number of operation of the vehicle can be increased.
Nice, nice. Okay, thank you so much.